Good morning, students. Today we learn here third lesson, diversity in living things and their classification. Now, all of you, just can you recall in which spheres of the earth do living things exist? Anybody knows that? Yeah. Which one sphere? Lithosphere. You know that lithosphere? Yes. Yeah. In that lithosphere, living things are exist. The geographical condition at different places on the earth are very different. We find that living things exist on all these diverse conditions. When we live in a certain place, we adjust the conditions there. Various types of living things have survived because of their ability to adjust themselves to the conditions in the surrounding. We'll learn in a first lesson. There are lots of living things, they adjust themselves in that conditions, like dogs. There are dogs living in a Kashmir and living in a Maharashtra, like that camel. They are also adjusting their ability to their living their surroundings. Now, are the plants and animals that have a same that have a seen all alike? No. Plants also having some different ability and animals also having some different ability. Now, diversity in plants. Now, various types of plants are found in many places around us. Some plants like a grass are short. Now, while others are tall and have a canopy. You know that grass plants, small grass is their green color. This is very short plants. While others are very canopy. Canopy means like that which plants having a leaf, very big type of leaf, small leaf, and these leafy plants. Now some plants grow underwater, like underwater plants, small grassy like plants is underwater plant, while some other float on water, like you are which one flower is flowing flow on water? Yes, lotus. We find that some plants grow even in a desert. Desert, which one desert? Desert is a cactus. Okay, cactus is a desert plant. Now, moreover, we find that there is a lot of variety in the same type of plant. For example, there are different varieties of rice. You know that rice variety, basmati, then white rice, wheat, basmati is there. Then which one? Any another? Okay, this one basmati. Then I think another one. Rice is there. Which one? Which one? Yeah, rice is a tukda. We can call lots of names are there. Tukda rice, like that wheat, Lokwan wheat is there. Some types of roses are there. Which one? Types of roses means color in roses. Yellow. Then which one another color? Red. Then which one another color? Which one? Which one? Yes, these are two types of red, white. Lots of colors are there. Okay, white color in there. Then mangoes are of different flavors. Now you know that mangoes of different flavors. Yes, we think hapus. Then village in there are lots of size and lots of flavors of their mangoes. Some plants grow even without stem, leaves or roots. Which one's plant is without stem, roots and roots? Just this plant is a cactus plant. Now these are the very different from ordinary plants. Let us study the diversity among the plants. Plants there make own food in the sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis process. Such a plants are called autotrophic plant. Autotrophic means what? They make their food own. These plants are called autotrophic. For example, hibiscus plant, pomegranate plant, periwinkle plant. These are the autotrophic. Now, some plants like a funguses, Laranthus, dodder use other plants for food and are said to be heterotrophic. These fungus, Laranthus, dodder, they are not making their own food. They eat their food from another plants. Therefore, they are called heterotrophic plants. And plants like a pitcher plant have even consumed insect. Now you know that some plants eating some living animals like insects. These plants are called insectivorous plant. Now we learn here the structure of plant. Plant structure can generally be divided into two parts: the stem, which is grow above the ground, and the root, which is grow below the ground surface. The root, stem, leaves are the main parts of the plants. You know that there are main parts of the plants are lots of, every part is a main part, but some part you have to learn. The root, stem, and leaves are the main part of plant. From time to time, plants bear flowers for reproduction. Plants bear flowers for reproduction. Flowers are transformed into the fruits, and fruits have a seeds, and seeds gives to rise to new plant. Now we learn here the flower. Now here you can see the yellow color flower is there. Here is the yellow color flower. This flower is the most attractive part of the plant. Yes, it is connected to the stem by stalk, which may be long or short. You know, do you want to know where is the stalk? This this is a stalk. This part is a stalk. If you check properly, this part is called stalk. Okay. Now, this may be long or short. A flower has a typical color and shape. These flowers have lots of colors. If you check the colors of the flowers, red, yellow, blue, and lots of some colors are there, green color. These colors you can see it's a very typical, and shapes also is very good, and lots of people know the shapes of the flowers and colors of the flower. The flower is important means of reproduction. Because of the flower, reproduction done in the plants. Now leaf one, another major important part, the leaf. The leaf is a flat. It plays an important role in the production of food. Leaves are mainly two types, simple and compound leaves. First of all, leaf is having role production of food, because in that leaf photosynthesis process is done, and because of that the leaf can be made their own food. And these also having a two types, simple leaf and compound leaf. Simple means only one leaf at one side, this is called hibiscus leaf, and compound leaf means roses. This leaf having lots of small leaves parts is called compound leaves. Now the stem is another one part is there. Now you see very large stems are there, very small stems are there. If you check the properly hibiscus stem, then lotus stem, and you are like one, which one flower you like? You like rose also having a stem. The height, shape, and size of the plant depend upon the stem of the carriers. Out of the function, this is your, if you check, this is the stem. Okay, this stem okay, carriers of the stem, production, conduction, and storage of food. And this stem having some functions. They can carry the production, they can carry the our food, they can produce in that leaf. In the some plant it has a function of a reproduction also. It gives support to other parts of the plant. And the next one is the part is the fruit. You know that fruit, you like the fruits, it's looking like a tomato, but lots of fruits having the plant. This part is very important part. Fruits have a different shapes. Fruits contain one or more seeds. The pods of beans and peas are actually fruits. Beans also called fruits, and pods of beans is also called fruits, and these fruits having a more important part in that plant. Now last one is the root. The root, you know that root, there are two types of root, tap root and fibrous root. Mainly you see the fibrous root. Roots hold the soil firmly and anchor the plant. What the main role? Hold the soil because of heavy rain, or if you just this plant, if you just take out from that soil, that time this root hold the soil firmly and anchor the plant. The main function of the root are absorb and transport water and nutrients from the soil. The root of the carrot and radish also store food. Now you know that these are the food. Carrot and radish, they are below the ground. Therefore, these fruits or these plants is called the roots of that plant, and they store their food there. There are two types of roots, tap roots and fiber roots. Tap root means what? This having a small lots of branches are there, and this is looking like a tap, hibiscus and banyan. And fibrous roots is onion and grass. If you check the onion at home, you can check there are lots of small grass roots are there. This roots is known as a fibrous roots. Thank you.